Greetings, ITCE students, and welcome to week 5. So this week we're going to talk about verbal communication skills, and we're going to talk about the 5 stages of a conversation, and I have a little self-assessment activity drag and drop that you can do. And the purpose of learning this content is to make sure you're prepared for that informational interview and make you feel confident and comfortable so you can plan what will happen in the interview. Then we're going to talk about assertive communication strategies and specifically help you learn how to deal with conflict, maybe one-on-one conflict in the workplace or maybe in group situations at school. Then we're going to take a break. So remember I told you this online class might go a little bit longer. And after the first hour of class time in our synchronous class, we're going to start talking about groups, when to use them, when not to use them, and group member roles. So these aren't typically something that are assigned. They're just roles that we play in a group, whether naturally or we think about it and realize we need to take on this role in order for a group to work effectively. So I want to remind you that you need to attend class via MS Teams this week or next week or both in order to complete the Teams reflection. And for homework, you're going to look at what to do when there's problems in your group. So for conversations, you're going to have to pick up the phone or use MS Teams to have a conversation, because that's hopefully what your informational interview will be, is a bit of a conversation. So what you should be thinking about is a typical flow that happens in a conversation. And there's 5 parts. So I invite you to read this excerpt and then complete this little conversation activity to make sure that you understand kind of what you should say at the beginning of your conversation and how it should move through and how you should wrap up your conversation or informational interview.